What's great about ROMI is you can take it and adapt it to a whole bunch of different types of advertising. We can even do it for organic content. We can take a look here, ROMI for organic content. Basically, all we want to do is add up all of the costs involved in posting to our organic content, maybe for, say, the last month, and then take a look at what the profit is that's coming in as a result. The challenge here is going to be tracking sales that result in your organic content. You can perhaps do this by taking a look at the impressions you're getting across all of your organic content for, say, a month, and knowing what your average conversion rate is for a certain number of impressions. You can also go through and test once in a while and see what that relationship is, either highlighting something in your organic content only, or perhaps doing a special coupon code or special item or secret item to try to gauge how responsive your fans are to organic content you put out. If you can kind of estimate that relationship, then you can go through and estimate the profit coming in and relate that back to what the costs are involved in running your organic content. Even if this number isn't that high though, you probably still want to be posting somewhat organically just to make your feed look alive and have stuff actually being posted there. There are a whole bunch of other different ways you can also go through and adapt ROMI to different types of ads. These include taking a look at ads to your current followers. Hopefully people who currently follow your account like you and are more likely to go through and actually respond positively to your advertising. So you can calculate what type of return you're getting when you advertise to people who currently follow your account. And you can again do this by going in through custom audiences and targeting just people who currently follow your account and seeing how receptive they are in terms of sales. You can also do the same thing with existing customers. You can create a custom audience using that list of people who previously bought from you and see how receptive they are to purchasing again. This is a great way to hopefully reduce your ad spend by being more targeted with who it is that's actually seeing your ads. And of course, you can also calculate ROMI for your ads targeting new customers, the holy grail of all marketing. What you want to do here is basically use the exact same formula. Look at what kind of profit results and divide that by the cost involved in that particular ad. This works if there's a single ad that can get new customers to come in and buy. In many cases, as we've talked about before, there's probably going to be a journey involved in having people actually go through and purchase from you. They might have to see multiple ads in order to get warmed up, so to speak, to go through and then actually make that sale. If that's the case, what you want to do is take a look at the profit coming in and divide that by the cost of the entire journey. So if you're running an ad for awareness and then an ad for evaluation, you're retargeting with custom audiences, and then you're retargeting again to get people actually targeted for purchase, you want to calculate the costs involved in all three of those ads and use those in the denominator.